Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Wow, what a day today. No surprise though, is it? Because of the FOMO that people get when they see the market going up. They suddenly decide to start buying in. Pretty crazy though, isn't it? When you think about it, a $5,000 swing again today. We had this on Friday. That's $10,000 improvement in just a couple of days. Quite a thing, because I've been buying the dips all the way down on the S&P. And it's important to note as well, again, we talk about the broadening of the market and why I wouldn't be in the NASDAQ or the QQQs, because I see the financial sector broadening, and we can see that Bank of America stock. You can look at some of the financial stocks today, absolutely booming. This is no surprise. Let me share with you on the screen. Here's the Bank of America. Look at that. So you can see it right there. Bank of America up today, 1.85. We don't get those sort of effects normally. That's what's happening today. So we've got a big broadening of the market, and now people are getting FOMO. Now, why are they buying in today? Well, because quite frankly of the retail numbers this morning. It's why I covered it live, and I said to you that the retail numbers were good. People tried to say they weren't that great. They were still good. Yes, it's down from what was expected, but still growing. But it just means the markets, the economy is just slightly cooling. That will bring us interest rates coming down. Very, very exciting. So I'm loving it. So there you go, a good day today. Anyway, let's get straight into it. Let's go through all our positions. Now we've got a big surprise for you tonight. I hope Andrew is in the chat today. I was just having a gold meeting with Andrew. If you're a gold member, we have one-on-one calls. I hope that Andrew is with me today, because he gave me a great idea, and we're going to do it today for the walk and talk. The walk and talk today is going to be the best ever. All right, it's going to be the best ever, because you are going to be with me along for the journey. Absolutely right. I cannot wait. I'll tell you all about it in a minute. If you want to join me on camera, you can be with me for the walk and talk today, and it's going to be a lot of fun. So I'll tell you all about that. You have to be in the show today to be in there, so you can actually call in. But it's going to be very exciting. Okay. So anyway, hello there. We have a new guest here today from March 1981. How are you? Good afternoon, JH Ford, listing win. We missed your 21st birthday. We were all ready to sing you happy birthday, and we missed you. You disappeared. We're so sorry we missed you. All ready to celebrate your birthday. Henrik, and so happy birthday again to you. It's a big, big birthday, that one. Henrik, good afternoon from Denmark. Hello, NN23. Welcome to you. Is this live? Yes, this is live. Hey up, banana heads. How you doing? Yes, Vaz, here he is. Hey, how you doing? So let's go through our positions. Look at this. Very, very cool indeed. Look at this. This is the S&P today. Really up today, 1.1%. But of course, if you go to my portfolio, we're not at 1%. We're up 2.71. That is what being invested with margin is all about. Not recommending anyone do it, but just remember that's why I'm up so much. The markets are up today, but not by that much. But this is very, very good. If you are investing like this, you will see the benefits. All right, okay, let's have a look. Hello, RB. All good, I fell asleep. Oh, is that what it was? You fell asleep? No way. You fell asleep. Oh, well. Also, I can tell you that XRP is up today as well. Look at this. This is looking nice. Up today, up 1.02, 237. Very nice indeed. It's a good day. Very exciting day. Hi from London. Hello there, Donny B, Donna B, Matthew Booley. Good afternoon. Mike is here. So who wants to join me on the walk and talk tonight? In 1 hour from now, we're going to have our walk and talk discussing today's pump. And the question is, did you buy the dip? Did you buy the dip? More retail investors are now doing it than ever done before, apparently. So I'm glad to hear that. Trevor Joseph Hamilton, good afternoon to you, Trevor. We are in general mode today. We're not in members only mode. We're giving our general public the chance to call in. We very rarely do general public shows now. We're always members only, but today we're doing general public to welcome our guests in. So welcome to you. Hi, Edward Flair. Hello to all as well. Hello, Martin. Good day. Aaron Anthony. Hello, how you doing? Good to see you. How we doing, Mike? Hi, this is Demetrius from Greece. Great channel. I am new in crypto market, investing some savings in XRP. Wonderful to have you in Focus Studio. Welcome to you. You like XRP? Let's have a quick look at XRP. There it is on the screen. You can see XRP is up 0.96. Looking good. Let me bring the charts on the screen as well. There you go. The numbers. Wonderful stuff. Welcome, welcome, welcome. It's a great day today. Very excited to be here. The studio is lit up very, very green today. We're absolutely loving it. Oh, we got a new subscriber to Extra. Welcome our Extra audience this afternoon. Welcome to you. We've been running 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Let me just pop into Extra and say, there you go. Maria, is she in the chat? Maria. No, it doesn't look like she's in the chat. All right. We're just watching over there on the Extra channel. Okay, let's come back to here. Who else have we got this afternoon? Welcome, public. Yes, we are in public mode today. Edward, general public very rarely gets chance to talk to us now because we are always members only. But today I thought it'd be nice to open it up and bring some guests in. Khalid, hello, Martin. Your sound is too bassy. We've changed the sound. We like it like this. Most people say they prefer it. So I don't know what you're listening to it on. Talk to us now because we are always members only. But we have started to make it more like this. I'll tweak it a little bit, but most people prefer it like this. This new way of doing things. Let me just tweak it very slightly. Let's have a little look. I'll just take a tiny bit down. Not much, because our audience are saying they actually prefer it. So there you go. Okay. I've made a very slight adjustment there. All right. I made a little adjustment for you, but our members say they like it. Oh, you are one of our members, aren't you? But yes, they say they like it, Khalid. But I don't know how I don't know how you're listening to me, what device you're using. Edward, good afternoon. I will join you in my bed, just joking. Welcome, public. Hello from New Zealand, Matthew Davies. Good afternoon to you, Matthew. I bought some of the dip. Congratulations. We're going to discuss it tonight on the Walk and Talk show. Did you buy the dip today? Now, don't buy it now because it could be those that want to pump it and dump it. You'll get caught out. You should have bought it on the dip. Let it go now. And there'll be other opportunities. Hello, mate. Jamans29. Lovely to have you here. Where are you calling in from? Edward, hello. Sound is good. There we go. We had a vote and people liked it. So we're not going to... I'm going to listen to what people say and we'll make some adjustments. But the overwhelming majority said it was the best sound we've ever had. So we're not going to go back to the original sound. Greetings from New York. Hello there. Paul Griffiths, evening, how's things? In what timeline do you think the SEC will announce Ripple because the case is being settled? I'm thinking the next 10 days. Paul, there's no evidence for anything. We thought the information would be out now. We expected it to be out, and it's not. So we can't be sure when this information is going to come out. I can tell you that XRP is still looking good at the moment, though, but take some profits wherever you can. But it's a difficult one. It's hard to sort of say, really. But I mean, lots of people on YouTube are making up stories telling you it's all done and dusted, but we're not really in that camp. We wait for evidence, but there's no information at the moment to tell us one way or the other. Love the chat, Edward. Edward, it's not normally open to the public. We have lots of members only live streams where only members can see, and we have lots of 99% of our live streams now are members only chat as well. But today we just wanted to welcome in our guests, give you the chance to ask questions. But yeah, normally it's closed to members. It's only a couple of bucks to be a member, but we do it to keep out trolls and bots, mainly because we are real investors here, and we don't really like wasting time with people coming in promoting stuff or trolling, or we're just trying to make money and help people. So we are a members only channel 99 times out of 100 now. There's the link in the chat if you want to become a member. There are many perks that you get. The price never goes up, including inflation. In fact, it gets cheaper. It's only a couple of bucks, and you get lots of perks and benefits. My members say they get 20 times back what they put in. There's Instagram and X if you want to follow me there. There's a Discord for the free training. We provide all that as well for members. Lots of good stuff. Thanks for that. You are welcome. Would be funny to ask to review a D's nuts again. I think Sensei was quite amused. Matthew Booley. I did see that live show, yeah. Let's see how your birthday... Lestin, how was your birthday last week? Hello from Sweden, Frederick Neiston. Good afternoon to you. Frederick, if you become a member, or anybody's a member here, I will speak to you in your own language. So if you become a member, we'll fly the flag for you, and I will speak to you in your own language. Here's the link if you want to become a member. Edward, sounds good. Sounds good. Thank you very much indeed. Oh, there you go. Everyone's liking the sound. That's it. We've recently changed our sound for a more of a radio style sound. I hope you're enjoying it. We'll speak to you in your own language. Here's the link if you want to become a member. It's designed more so you can sit and listen while you drive or whatever that might be. Hello, mate. Jamans, how are you? God bless the Lucas Aid family. Jerry and Elba here. You sound great. Can't satisfy everyone. Thank you, Carlos. Thank you very much indeed. Good evening from the UK. Jerry and Elba. Albany, New York. We've got a New Yorker in today. Excellent stuff. I played New York. I performed as the Phantom of the Opera. I've toured all over the world, and I've played in New York. Was good, Stacey. Thank you. Hi, Frederick, California. God bless Stacey and family. Sounds really well. Keep the great job. Thank you, Edward. Thank you very much. God bless you, Vaz. Hi, Martin. If you want to get the full experience of the full sound and everything, let me show you a couple of things that you can do. Is if you go over here to the main broadcast, if you click here, you can see the cogs, and you can click 4K. We actually stream in 4K with surround sound. So if you select 4K, you'll see the picture improve if you've got that quality. If you've not got that quality, you won't be able to. But if you have, you will be able to stream in 4K. And if you watch it on a big 100-inch TV, that's the way we broadcast. Chris Botics, how are you, Chris? Lovely to have you here. God bless Tavaz. Edward, join the family. Do you know we've got 13.8% of audience are ladies? Very proud of that. Welcome, everyone. Love the money, says Holler. Well, if you bought the dip, as I did, I've now got $300,000 invested. Look at this. Let me show you my position. 262,000 in my main account, 36 in my Roth IRA. Add the two together, just about $300,000. But we're on a massive down dip at the moment. I've been buying all the way down. I didn't buy a single share on the way up. I've not sold a single share. I've not used options, and I never short the market. I've done 23 trades and 23 wins. Started at $5,000. We now have $300,000. Hopefully keeping well. Less than win. I am. Thank you. Doing a great job. Thank you for being real. Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for reading my comment. I was using Bose earbuds, but now you sound wonderful in my car speakers, though. I think I need to tweak my earbuds. Yeah, you have an EQ in your earbuds, and if you've been listening to me a certain way for a while, you might now notice the difference and might want to tweak it if that's what you're doing. Decent stock moves today. I did enjoy your talk about planned crash earlier today. Thank you. That is shaping up to be my most popular video ever, with a 12-minute average watch time. I absolutely cannot believe it. It is without doubt my most popular video I've ever done. So thank you to all who've watched that. Now, if you're wondering why the market is up today so much, this whole thing was a complete and utter setup. I believe that's what I put in my video today. And today we've got the pump, but don't chase it. It's still too early to be sure, but we may have reached bottom. I'll share with you the video if you've not yet seen it. It's my most popular video I've ever made. Now, watch time wise, 12 minutes. Let me share with you on the screen why today it's up. You might like to see this. So if we scroll down here, and if you look here, scroll down past live streams. There you go. It's all over. Crash explained. 1,400 views. It's a 42-minute video, and it's a 12 minutes watch time. If you know anything about YouTube, you'll know that's pretty amazing to get 12 minutes. Average, only one person has to watch for a minute, and the average comes crashing down. So most people are watching this over 30 minutes, which is wonderful. This is the whole crash explained and some inside trading, exactly what's going on. Donald Trump may have done this on purpose to get the Fed to lower rates on Wednesday, and then they can pay a lot less borrowing money for the government. And I believe that was the whole strategy. If you've not yet seen that, I'll give you the video here. This is an absolute must watch. I put a lot of detail into this video. All right. Okay, let me come back to my main screen here. Right, I'll put it in the chat for you. Now then, tonight, I've got a bit of a surprise. Is Andrew here? Is Andrew here? I was speaking to Andrew earlier. Andrew is a gold member. We had a one-on-one call. He wanted to talk about his stocks and positions. He's up there in Alaska. And we had a one-on-one call, and he gave me a great idea. And in fact, I'm going to message him in case he's missing this show, because he gave me a really good idea, and now I want to do it. Andrew. No, that's not him. He's got a different name on Discord. Is he in the chat right now? Are you here, Andrew? I can't remember what his name on Discord is. But anyway, we chatted earlier. Hopefully he'll come in, and I'll tell you then. Good afternoon. Doing a great job. Thank you for being real, Edward. You're welcome. It's easy to be real. I don't know why people just lie all the time. I'd forget what I was saying, to be quite honestly. Jamers 29. Good afternoon, Stephen Lewandowski. Thanks for reading my comment. You're absolutely welcome. I read every member's comment. Decent stock moves today. I did enjoy your walkabout planned crash earlier. Your gold story a few days ago was quite soothing with that new mic. Your gold story a few days ago was quite soothing with that new mic. The the gold story, I can't remember what that was about now. Bayou La Batra, Alabama, Mark Wise. Wonderful to have you here. Ashay Fi, no problem. Love your show. Ashay, thank you. Jerry and Elba. Are you going to have a pint on the black stuff today, landlord? Hey, we could do it on the walk and talk. I could go to the pub. I could do that. The walk and talk, I could go to the Irish pub and we can have a drink together. Who wants to join me at an actual pub tonight on the walk and talk? Let me know in the chat if you'd like to join me. The first 10 people can actually join me in the pub on the walk and talk into the show. And we'll have a Guinness together. Great idea. What a brilliant idea. I'm loving it. Birthday today, mate. It's a 60. Well, Edward, if you were a member of the channel, we would celebrate your birthday with a birthday song. It's one of the many perks you get. There's the membership link if you'd like to do so. Hello, everyone. The Art of Read. Happy Friday. AZ, blessings to you. Sounds good, Martin. Aloha from the islands. To Darby. I remember how to pronounce your name. Thank you for your very kind messages on Discord. Lovely to see you here. And I, again, apologize for the misunderstanding. I explained it today in our live show again, what you pointed out about the fees, for the management fees in the stock. Because today we were talking about the QQQs and the same thing. There was a fee and I explained it. So thank you for pointing that out. Sometimes I make a mistake and it's great when people can pick me up on it and happily, put my hands up. I make all these videos live, unedited as it happens. And sometimes I can hear myself saying it sometimes. I think, oh, that was, I used the wrong word or whatever. So when you notice that, please do pick me up on it. It's absolutely fine. Hope everyone has a wonderful St. Patrick's Day. What app are you using? Toxic Therapist. I've got many different systems here in the studio. Let me show you around the studio. There we go. We got cameras on tracks. All these cameras, you can see there's 6 cameras in here, and they're all moving on tracks. They've just paused for the moment because I'm just changing the settings. We got moving lights, moving heads. If I take you around the studio, you can see different angles behind me. This is one of the cameras on a track here. You see all the switches there with the red and green buttons just behind me. There's a piano. I've got another microphone when I turn around. This is my compressor, my valve compressor, my Yamaha mixing desk, monitors. These are moving heads. I've got 8. Is it 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 6 moving heads in the studio, which all light up and do different things. There's quite a lot going on here, I think. But yeah. It's a wonderful place to live. I've been in here for 4 years now, and I do enjoy it. And I'm glad you're enjoying it too. If you'd like my my streaming software, if that's what you're talking about, are you a streamer? Because I've got the software that I use. It's below all my videos. It's called Ecamm Live. I'll give you the link for it. I've got it here somewhere. Here you go. If you like the software that I use, there it is. There you go. You can get that link there, and with that link, you get a discount, and you get you get a better deal basically because I'm an affiliate of the company. Edward, happy birthday. What app are you using? Great job on Trump's overall strategy plan. Yeah, I replied to you, MSK. Thank you so much for saying so. I really do appreciate it. I really feel that the market has been manipulated, and it just presents everyone with a huge opportunity, but very few people take it. This time, more retail investors than ever actually took the trades and actually did buy more. So I'm really thrilled to bits to see that. You can see it in all these different positions. People were actually buying the dip this time. Tesla's not doing so well. Tesla's literally falling through the floor because Germany aren't buying Teslas. Canada aren't buying Teslas. Europe have just turned their back on Elon Musk. He's really shot himself in the foot, this one. It's a great shame. But again, it's all part of the strategy. When Tesla comes back, the S&P is going to boom because we're already doing so well. It's quite incredible, really. Good evening, Martin, Herefordshire. Jim Ricketts, how are you? We got another birthday. Yeah, if he becomes a member, we'll celebrate. We'll do a birthday song. I can tell the audio upgrade even on my iPad. Fantastic. I'm really glad. Martin, the sound has improved. Oh, I'm so pleased that you like it. A couple of bucks to become a member. That's only $1.54. A bronze membership is $2.99. That's actually over $3, nearly $4. A couple of bucks to become a member. That's only 154 pence. A bronze membership is no, it's not £2.99. Foxley Woods. It's $2.99. It's a couple of bucks. That's what I said. It's actually over three. Foxley Woods. Just so you know, 98% of our live viewers are members, higher than any other channel in the world. We have the cheapest, most inexpensive memberships available on YouTube, and I believe, and this is why 98% of our live viewers have a badge. It's the best value of any membership, because as a member, this is what you get. There are many members-only live streams, members-only videos. As a member, I'm probably the only person on YouTube to answer every single question. If you reply to a video, I will personally reply. All the members, ask anyone here, every single member gets a reply. If they follow me on Instagram and X, I reply to every single member. And that's me personally, no AI involved. I'll also do reviews for you, up to a 1-hour video, which ranks #1 very often on YouTube and Google for your favorite stock, if you are a member. Also, I will do an earnings call for you if you are a member. You get a birthday song. I was voted by Elton John as the World Piano Man. That's a $500 value. People pay me $500 to make them happy birthday videos. You get that for free. You also get a free song on the Friday night concert. We do a concert every Friday night on my music channel. Here is the music link. Also, you get free training. All other YouTube channels, they charge for training. We never charge for training. We have training videos being created for our members exclusively on Discord. You can chat one-on-one with our technical analysis for free. It's part of being a member. You can get scalp trading. Our scalp trader pays thousands of dollars to learn to scalp trade. You get that for free. We're here to help people, not to sell training programs or inflate memberships. And also, I do it purely to filter out scammers and bots. Also, after 4 years of doing it, it's never gone up in price. It never does, never will, not even with inflation. Not only that, as a member, you can call in live to the show. You can be live on the show. We have one-on-one 1-hour calls a month if you're a gold member. If you're a silver member, I'll put you on the homepage of the channel and get everyone to subscribe to your channel. We've done that for loads of people's businesses and so on and so forth. So there are many, many perks to being a member. For a couple of bucks a month, it could be $20 a month and it would still be cheap. So I think it's a good idea. If you don't, that's absolutely fine. Love it. Edward, good afternoon. The way it's looking is his strategy didn't work because he's going back up. Fed won't flinch. DF, no, I don't think so, because even though the market is going up, it's going up in anticipation for Wednesday. Now, we are covering it live on Wednesday. We're going to be there. You might want to join us for the event on Wednesday. I'll give you the link to it now, because we've still got a cooling in the market. The market prices and the overall economy are different. Just because, oops, let me get my, there we go. Just because the economy is cooling, the stock price is not attached to the economy. The economy and the stock market are completely different. This is just a weighing machine. This is just a trading situation. It's got nothing to do with the economy or the value of the businesses. This is just the price that people are trading for. That's all this is. If we go over here, there is the Fed report. Upcoming live stream on the homepage on Wednesday. It's going to be a huge event. We could even get a surprise rate cut. Now then, we've only got half an hour to go before we ring the bell. This is the walk and talk. Tonight, we've got a special surprise for you. It's going to be the first 10 people, right? The first 10 people who call in when we start this. We're going to start this right after this event. I'm going to start from the studio, okay? And you're going to come with me on a little road trip. And you can be on the camera with me. This is what's going to happen, all right? Let me show you how this works. This is going to be really, really cool. Right, so this is how it works, and it's the first 10 people only. So let me come over to here. Let me get the link, copy the link, put it in the chat. We're going on a road trip. And put that in there. Okay, so let me come back to, where's my thing gone? There you go. Now then, you're going to like this. This is really going to be cool. So we're going to go over to this spot here. And this is the interview screen. Now then, you can't see me right now, but I am going to call in to my own show. This was Andrew's idea, who I had a gold meeting with today. Wonder why it's saying that. Use Safari to join. You're in... Oh, should work. Oh, that's a new thing. All right then. Okay, Safari. That's a new thing. So you can't see me right now, okay, but you can hear me, okay? Watch this. I'm going to phone in to my own show. As I go for a walk and talk, you can come and join me. So I'm going to put in the code, right? I'm going to call in, allow to use my camera, front camera, yeah. I better do, front camera. Should I do rear camera? Yeah, front camera, that's right. Join.
Jerry and Elba donated $3 through a super chat. God bless the family.
All right. Let me just mute my microphone. I'm going to answer to myself, put myself in guest spot number 1. Okay, so I'm going to be here like this. All right. So there's me in guest spot number 1. Okay, and we're going to go for a walk and talk. So I'm going to be going around. We might even go and get a pint of Guinness to celebrate St. Patrick's Day, right? And all of you are going to be on the walk and talk with me in all these spots. Does that make sense? And you'll be listening on the phone like this. You'll be listening on the phone like that. So you'll all be able to tune in with me as well. All right, so now I'm going to come back to here like that. And I'm going to hang up. And there it is. That is how we're going to do it. How cool is that? So that's coming up tonight. And only 10 people can tune in. So I'm going to close the phone in at the moment. And you'll be able to be on the walk and talk with me. So if you're not on the walk and talk, you'll be watching it on YouTube like we do our live phone-ins. And for everybody else, you'll be on the call with me. And we're going to go for a walk and talk. How flipping cool was that? It was Andrew's idea. And we'll do a few crazy things. We might go to the pub together. How about that? Walk and talk tonight is going to be legendary. So it's only 10 people can call in. So we'll start the walk and talk in a minute, and then we'll be off. And you can't call in once I've left the studio. So if you want to be in on the call, you need to be in before I leave. Because once I leave the studio, I can't bring you in. Okay? That's it. You've got to be in on the call when I leave. All right. Otherwise, you want me to call in. Love it, says Edward. Great. The way it's looking is tragedy. No, strategy. No, I think it's not. I if you are from Cornwall, I have a friend was in Albany, New York. His name is Sam Leamy. I'm sorry, I've not heard of him, I'm afraid. Put up some photos, Stacey. I don't know if it's about to crash. You might want to offload that butt coin. That's not a good bet right now. I don't have any butt coin or any Bitcoin. I only own the S&P 500. Stacey, okay. Crude, natural gas, short, hold, all short. Don't book profit. Don't book profit early. We will watch. Jerry and Elba. Hello, my fellow Lucasades. How you doing, Robbie C? Yes, pub talk. It could a pub crawl could be good, right? I'm excited about it. I think it's going to be a really, really exciting night. So anyway, that's coming up in a few minutes. Doesn't that kind of defeat the purpose of doing the walking in the first place? What defeats the what? Going to the pub? Well, we might just walk, Stacey. I mean, it's the walk and talk show. We can walk anywhere. Walk and talk and chug. Burning the calories just to ruin it by having a beer. I mean, we might not have a beer. I don't know what we're going to do yet. I ain't decided. Gold card. Not sure the question. What's the question? Stacey thought the same thing. Have a Guinness, you will be fine. Just trying to hold him accountable. There you go. The Fed should cut, but I don't think they will yet. I think they will cut in June, but we shall see. Tomorrow could be a Wednesday could be a surprise. Good afternoon from Chicago. The day is green, but Nvidia seems to be struggling a bit. Well, that's because it's leading up to the event. That's why tomorrow night. Ireland works differently. Stacey, you're right, but it's Paddy's Day and a good reason, I guess, for a drink. Did you see Empire State Manufacturing data down horribly? Watch the earnings because these companies pre-ordered inventory ahead. We could have covered the earnings, but no one requested it. I am confused with market. All I see green flags, but the market not moving that way. What do you mean? The market's not moving that way? Well, you're looking at my real position on the screen. I don't drink anymore, so it's just another day for me. Hi, mods. Mike, Vaz, hello, everybody. Lovely stuff. We love Stacey. Stephen Lewandowski, hello. Let me get through all my comments here. Let's have a look. God bless Stephen Lewandowski. Good stuff. Hi, Stephen. Good to see you around. Can see your channel is quality. Only Wolf. Well, thank you very much indeed. Let me have a quick look at the price of XRP. It's moving again. We're paying attention to this one today. We're paying close attention, and Tesla and Virgin Galactic today. These are all our stocks we're paying close attention to. We still think that Virgin Galactic could now break out and do $100. So this is very, very exciting. Very, very exciting indeed. MSK, tech them young. It was good. I had a stubborn backache. Oh dear, I know what that's like. It's very, very difficult, I know. It comes up as £2.99. Is that incorrect? Foxley Woods, I've only seen it in dollars, so I'm sure that's correct. I don't know. Then it must be in pounds. It must be £2.99. I don't know. That's just the way it is. Yeah. I mean, I set them in dollars, then Google translate that. So that's the price it is. But yeah. You can join the extra channel if you want to for 99 cents. If $2.99 is too much. That's all it is a month, by the way. I'm live 12 hours a day, 5 days a week. So you probably pay about... In fact, shall we look at that? Let's have a look. If we go... Let's see how much... I've never thought about it. We got someone here saying my membership's too expensive. $2.99 divided by 20 days in the month if you take out the weekends. So 14 cents a day. Divide that by 12 hours. So you're paying me 1 cent per hour to be a member of my channel. And you might come in 1 hour and say, can I do a review? Can you answer one of my questions? Can I call into your show? You've paid 1 cent. I honestly think if that's too much money, you shouldn't be investing. I'm just saying, we had the most inexpensive membership on YouTube. Anyway, so did MSK, that's strange. Martyn's a non-partisan news aggregator and behind the scenes on how professional investors think about the news and adapt a portfolio. Motto 18. That was your comment. Thank you for that. Is this a short squeeze? I heard it was no. You can't short squeeze the S&P 500. I've never heard of that. That would be bonkers. You went on a water fast too. Thank God you're feeling a little bit MSK. I'm sorry. Is MSK not feeling very well? How can I say FOMO has set in when the current price is $2.37 and it was over $3 at the time? Chaz, we're talking about FOMO in the market, not specifically XRP or anything else. If we look over here, you can see that I'm up to date 2.62, which is a gain of $2,735. There's FOMO in the main market today. We're not talking about XRP specifically. Best drink ever. Let's have a look. We've got a conversation between MSK and Stacy. Meat drap skeletons. I'm missing something here. There's a conversation going on. I've been doing fast the past few weeks, says Vanessa. Hello, everyone. Khalid Samson. How are you this afternoon? Martyn, 5K to a million. Us 5 cents to $1. Martyn, 5K to a million. Us 5 cents to $1. As you remember, I started my channel at $5,000 and I'll be at $1 million by the end of the decade. I need link for subscription. Oh, Dan Ackerman, you sent me an email. I'm sorry, I can't reply to emails due to security. You need a link for subscription. Well, you are a subscriber because you couldn't chat in the chat if you wasn't a subscriber. Do you mean membership? Are you talking about membership? Membership and subscription is different. You are a subscriber, otherwise you couldn't chat in this channel. If you want to be a member, how you become a member, that's quite simple. I'll show you on the screen. If you go here to the homepage of the channel, this is where you are watching right now. If you go across here, membership, the top tab there. That is how you become a member. Now, if you're on a computer, you'll see how to become a member. I've been a member. I'm the owner, so it doesn't show you the same. But for you, it will say join. Now, if you're on an iOS device, an iPad or an iPhone, then you need to be on a desktop, a browser, a desktop version. Okay, so I'll give you the link anyway. There's the link. But all you need to do is go on a computer, or an Android, or an iPhone and an iPad. You need to be on a desktop. You need to be on a browser desktop version. So you click the three dots in Chrome, or you request a desktop version in Safari or whatever you're using, and you'll find the join button. That's it. That's where the link is. All right. Now it's a fancy chair. You need a fancy voice. I love it. I've got a fancy voice. Did you all see what the short selling report owned by Andrew Left is trying to do on Gorilla? I didn't see that. Let's have a little look. Vanessa Griggs. I saw the report. BS, but did have an effect on the stock price. Heard it a bit. You mentioned about the new microphone and story about gold. I don't have a new microphone. It's just new plugins. For my audio. There's no new microphone. And story about gold. Yeah, I did a video on gold. I just don't remember now. I've made so many videos since then, Jerry. Okay. You are welcome, Martyn. Just being honest, there's many bad actors in this space. You are not one of them. Greetings from the UK. Thank you, Only Wolf. I appreciate it. Is Paddy considered offensive? No. I'm sure some people would say it's offensive. I mean, if you called me bold, is it offensive? It's only offensive if I want to think it's offensive, right? No, I am bold. Who cares? I don't get offended by stuff like that. I don't think anyone should either. Don't worry, more chances will come. Hope Wednesday has a positive effect. Do you get more money from pounds people? Do you get more money from pounds people? I don't really know. If it's £2.99 or £2.99, I suppose so. But the commission would just be the same probably. I don't know. It's probably a difference of 10 cents. I don't think anyone's really bothered if they pay 10 cents more. I don't know. Anyway. Tony, it's all good. I've had enough to see how things are going up. Less than 10p a day. YouTube are creaming on the currency exchange. Well, not really, Jerry, because I get the money less the 30% commission. So they're not taking advantage out of it. That's just the price they're charging. They probably just round it up because you can't have $2.38 to be a member. It's always because it's inexpensive anyway. It's $2.99 a month. No one's going to argue over, I pay $2.60, I pay $2.62, I pay $2.58. No one's bothered. I mean, are you? Is anyone bothered about that? I mean, when you go into a shop in England and you pay $1 for an ice cream, do you phone up America and go, excuse me, how much are you paying for an ice cream? I'm paying $1.50. Hang on a minute, my $1.50 should be $1.99. I'm being ripped off by it. I mean, you wouldn't do it, would you? I mean, I wouldn't have thought so anyway. Dan Ackerman.
Dan Ackerman has become a member.
Dan, you were already a member. You've been a member for 2 months. So what you do is you just set it to auto renew. You hadn't done that, obviously, but that's what it was. There you go. So now you can access all the members only live streams again and all the rest of it. And tonight you can be on the call. It's members only for our call tonight. So who's going to join me? We've got 10 minutes to go. We're going to start the live walk and talk from the studio. Then I'm going to leave and go on a road trip. Very, very exciting. All right, we're going to go on a road trip. And the first place we'll go to is the UPS store. I've got to drop off a box. So you can come with me. This will be a lot of fun, right? Walking and talking. Hello, Martin and all. It's going to be fun. You'll make a $2.99 back each month by tuning in. Sophia. There you go, Sophia. If it's not worth $2.99, I go live 12 hours a day, 5 days a week, answer everyone's questions, make videos that you request me to do. I don't know what else to do. If it's not good value, I'd suggest just don't do it. All right, there you go. Martin, really appreciate the guidance in the last couple of weeks. Saved me some grey hairs. Wonderful, Tony. I'm so glad. Was it worth $2? People, and remember, you can watch for free. I don't know why are we having this conversation. You can watch and listen for free, all right? You just can't watch the members' videos. Right, people are here to learn investing, yet some people are bothered by $2.99. It's actually quite funny. Yeah, Josh. Have you noticed, this is when I open it up to non-members, you get these silly comments, right? Anyone who's an investor realizes $2.99 a month is a good deal. I don't know. It's the most inexpensive membership on YouTube. No one charges less than that, and no one does more than me. Anyway, it's funny. I am. That's an extra 10p in the S&P. Yeah, Leslie Wynn's going. When I buy an ice cream and I'm in England, the first thing I do is ring somebody I know up in America. Then I've already spent the money on the phone call. But as soon as I get a free phone, right, I phone someone up in America and I go, how much are you paying? They go 10 cents more than me. Straight away, I refuse to buy the ice cream. Yeah, excellent value. Thank you. Tina Forenzo. And by the way, 13.8% of our live viewers are members, more than any other crypto channel on YouTube. What do you think about NVIDIA? I like NVIDIA. Tomorrow night is the big presentation from Jensen Huang, and I expect to see a $200 NVIDIA by the end of the year as well. Don't even respond to this gibberish, Martin. You're great. The price is cheap. I know, but you have to, I made it open to the public, and this is what happens. Old people still think the rent is $50 a month. Right, we're going to go members only now because we're going to do our walk and talk. So for the people that don't think $2 is a good idea, well, here you go. All right, members only. I'm fed up with all the silliness. Okay, here we go. Okay, so we got our walk and talk coming up. We're gonna ring the bell together. We're gonna go over to Wall Street, which is just gone offline. Never mind, I'll sort that out. And we're going to do our walk and talk right after this. So what we're going to do is we're going to end this show just after the bell, and we're going to go straight over to the walk and talk. I'm going to start the walk and talk from in the studio, like we are now. Okay. I'm then going to pick up my phone. I'm going to phone in, and you can join me. Now, once I leave the studio, that's it. You can't join me. You can't be on the call once I leave the studio. You have to call in. Otherwise, that's it. Too late. Because once I leave, I can't let you in. Okay. And we're going to go on a road trip. I'm going to go to the FedEx and I'm going to drop off a parcel, and we might go for a walkabout. We might not. In fact, I've got a great idea. I know some lovely places. All right, we'll go for a new walk and talk we've never done before. Very, very exciting. All right. So who's up for it? Who's joining me for the walk and talk in about 15 minutes? Like I said, you have to call in at the beginning, otherwise you won't be able to. You won't be able to join me. All right. Okay. Let's cover the news. Let's see what's trending. Celsius adds more distribution in Europe through an expanded deal with Suntory. Tesla turns promotional in China with free FSD trial. Tesla getting desperate now. Tesla is turning promotional in China by launching a free trial of its full self-drive service in China from March 17th to April the 16th. Tesla is really, once you start doing free trials and stuff like that, we've never done free trials, you show weakness. Tesla's in trouble. It's upset so many people that it's actually now losing, it's in trouble right now. There's Tesla. Tesla owners whose cars are equipped with compatible assisted driver hardware and software, as well as the newest version of navigational maps, Tesla are offering a free trial in March and April. That's not good. What else have we got? Baidu unveils 2 new AI models as AI race heats up. Yeah, let's go back to NVIDIA. Let's show you what NVIDIA are doing. Tomorrow night, we're going to see the news from NVIDIA. This is NVIDIA. There you go. You can see it there. Baidu unveils 2 new AI models as the AI race heats up. Liquidity emerges as key market indicator amid sell-off. The S&P 500. The sell-off that last week took the S&P 500 into a correction was notable for its relative calm. Let me show you the S&P right now. This is VU. How do you do? I'm all in on the S&P. We'll come over here. Stock market crisis from 1987 crash to COVID-19 share a common theme in that dried up liquidity intensified market moves. Now the rapid growth of derivatives, there's a focus on how options positions affect underlying stocks. Volatility hasn't spiked. The CBOE volatility index climbed steadily to near 30, retreating even as shares kept dropping. While intraday swings attracted day traders, the S&P 500 put skews flattened and the VIX call to put ratio dropped. Signs that some of the equity slide came from investors taking money off the table by selling both stocks and related option hedges. We're just selling a little bit into the close. I'm actually expecting it to go up after hours. What else have we got? Forever 21 files for bankruptcy for the second time. XAI acquires AI video startup Hotshot. China's consumption stimulus boosts Asia shares. Oil prices jump. Stephen Lewandowski will like that. What else have we got? That's That's of no interest to anyone. US Bitcoin ETFs record strongest run for weekly net outflows. Joby and Virgin Atlantic to bring flying taxis to the UK. That was interesting. We had that news come out this afternoon. I think that was mentioned earlier by Zachzay. All right. You can just see now the overall market is just trimming off a little bit on the way down there, but we're not worried, are we? Okay, I don't think so. So we're about to open up the phone line for our walk and talk, and we're going to go on a mystery tour. Should be fun, this. I've never done this before. It's quite scary, really. Anyway, day 6 of asking Martyn to run instead of walk. Day 6 of asking Martyn to run instead of walk. Yeah, there's going to be no running tonight. I'm holding the phone and there's no running. And Canada is checking into how so many Teslas could have been sold before the incentive rebates were set to expire. They say something's fishy. Yes. I didn't know about that story, Vanessa, but that's interesting. You brought that to us. Thank you for that. Okay, we're just 3 minutes before the bell goes. I'm going to go to the back of the studio and refresh the screen because it's gone to sleep. And let's get ready to ring the bell in 3 minutes. And then we'll go into our walk and talk. And I'm really excited about it tonight. It should be a lot of fun. Okay. I wonder who's going to join me. Stand by. I'm just going to go over the other part of the studio. Okay, so we're back in the hot seat. Let me bring in the...
and it's another analyst or a firm that is cutting its outlook
2 minutes
for
to
Tesla,
go.
specifically when it comes
We'll keep our eye on that. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. Okay, just a few moments to go. I'm going to count down and then we're going to go into our walk and talk. It'll automatically take you there at the end of the show. I'll give you the link. We're going to go straight there. We're going to start here and then we're going to go out. It's going to be very, very exciting. Never done this before. It's a members only event as well. In fact, let's make it a members. Let's make it a members only event. It's the first time I've ever done it. So let's make it an actual members event, not just members chatting. Does that make sense? Members only, all channel members. Yeah. And we'll put it in new playlist. Upcoming. Whoops. Upcoming members only live stream. Computer's misbehaving a little bit today. Oh, there we go. Members only. Upcoming members only live streams. There you go. Okay. There you go. All right. Save. We'll do it as a members only. We've never done this before, so I think we should make it special for the members only. Have I just done the wrong... Oh, flipping heck. I think I've just messed it up. Hang on. I think I've just, yeah, Oops. Public. Oops. Oops. Sorry about that. I just pressed the wrong button. Okay, I fixed it. Sorry about that. Live shows. There you go. Sorry about that. I just messed it all up, but it's fixed now. How long have I got? 3, 2, oh.
Led higher by Goldman Sachs and United Health, but the Russell 2000, the real bright spot.
Okay, I just missed the bell because I messed it all up, but never mind. I'll try again tomorrow. Completely messed that up. I was editing this show rather than the next one. That's flipping annoying. All right, but anyway, there it is. And not much I can do about it now. Let me change this next one. So here we go. This is going to start now, not later, as it says originally. All channel members, yeah. Save. There you go. It's a members only event. There you go. Playlists, walk and talk, and it will be members only and upcoming members. There you go. All right, done it. Make sure that goes to it straight after this. Redirect. Customize. Yep, all set. Okay, we're all good. Phew. Sorry about all the confusion. This sounds fun. It should be good, I think. What channel was that? That's CNBC.
Surprise.
I bring this into the show.
Could hold on to,
but there's nothing
and
really
put their hopes and dreams in
that we want to share at the moment.
That's part of the equation.
I can't tell on my phone, or else I can't call on my phone. Otherwise I would. Why can't you call on your phone? Any phone works. You're just in the browser. Literally any phone with a browser you can call in on. It don't matter. Right. This is what we're going to do. We're going to end this live stream now. We're going to take you straight over to the walk and talk event. This is the walk and talk event. Okay. This is where we're going to go live right now. Okay. We're going to cover walk and talk, this one here. And I'm going to start it in the studio. Then I'm going to call in to my own show as a guest like you. And you're all going to call in as well. Would that be really cool? You'll call in as well. So this is really, really cool. And I'm going to go off. I'm going to go to the FedEx and I'm going to drop a parcel off. And I'm then going to go to find a nice little place to go for a walk. It's going to be really exciting. We're going to have a walk and talk together. All right. So that's starting in just a few minutes time. So I'm going to end this stream, send you all there, and then I'll be back here again and telling you how to call in. I'll give you the link. You can call in. Now, once the event starts and I leave the studio, you won't be able to call in. Nobody else will be able to call in. It will all be just the people that have made it in. Okay? And it's the first 10 people to claim the spots. So the moment I go live, that's it. There are only 10 spots. So if you want to be in, you've got to be quick. Because once the 10 spots are gone, that's it. It's all over. It's sayonara. All right? Excellent stuff. For some reason, once I get to the green room, it freezes and won't let me do anything, no matter what bar amount I have or serve. I don't know what that might be, Stacey. We've got a new phone-in service actually upgraded today. So try it. Try it today. I don't know what's going to happen. Anyway, maybe it'll work. All right, 9 people since your yes, that's true. That is true. I'll be taking one of the spots. So yes, you're right. There's only 9 spots. That'd be cool. Right, okay. So we're gonna end right now. Send you all over to this event. The link is in the chat. It's pinned to the top. Come and join me as we take a little road trip. And anything could happen. All right. There we go. All right, there you go. There's the link in the chat. Just give me a couple of minutes to change out of my suit and tie, get my right clothes on, and then I'll be back here in the studio for walk and talking as we leave the studio. It's going to be a lot of fun. I'm excited. I can't wait. All right. Okay. Stay right where you are and it'll take you automatically there. There you go. Let's clear the decks. Let's do day trader of the day. And let's see who wins today. So here we go. It's a members competition. We do this every day. Here we go. Shadooby, shadooby dooboo. I'm up 1.73. Okay, let's see who wins today. Up 1.73. It was a lot higher than that just a few minutes ago. But there you go, 1.73. Let's roll the credits. See who the stars of our show were today. Stars of our show today: Christopher, new subscriber, members Dan Ackerman, and a super chat from Jerry and Elber. Thank you very much indeed. That's our stars of our show today. So here we go. Sharpshooter, take it off. Well, I'm going to get changed in a minute, but I'm not going to get changed right now, sitting here. All right, okay, up at 0.49. So I'm up 1.73. Up 0.49 was higher earlier. Yeah, me too. At one point, I was nearly 3%. What was I up here? Yeah, look. Yeah, 3%. Never mind, that's okay. Let's see who wins today. Bump. I'm excited for our walk and talk. Hopefully you'll all join me for that. No one gonna enter the competition tonight to see who wins. Well, we're running out of time. I gotta go. So it looks like the winner's gonna be me. Can't believe it. Up 0.59, 7%, Alex. I just came back from cinema. Apologies I wasn't online. Hope you're well, Martin, everyone. Alex, you're going to join me for the walk and talk. You can be live on the show. We're going on a road trip. You can actually join me. We're leaving the studio. We're going to be all over the place. Up 5.1. Alex is up 7. I still have to cover 80 that I'm down for the month, though. Yes, I get it. I get it. I'll be watching but won't join, Vaz. Okie dokie. Alex is our winner. I think Alex is our winner. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. There you go. That's it from me. Give him a thank you. You win tonight, Alex. Give him a big thumbs up as well. Marvellous. That's it from me. It's time for Walk and Talk. Members only live stream. We're going to allow you to call in with me, be on the screen with me as we go out walking around. It's going to be quite exciting. Until then, the link's in the chat. Are you ready for the best experience ever? The first stop, we're going to go to UPS, drop some parcels off. It's going to be fun, this. It was actually Andrew's idea. Sadly, he's not in the show today. It was a brilliant idea. Anyway, I'll see you back in a few minutes. It's only the first 9 people to call in. That's it. All right, see you back in a minute. Take care of yourselves and each other.